So when I usually go camping, this chair is new thing, and try to fit all my camping gear into one side box. And for that reason I bought this Coleman tent, which is Caucasus 2 for 2 people. Reason why for 2 is when I go alone, tent for 2 is really good, and when we go together, you see. And the second thing I bought this year is this biker sleeping bag. I'm not gonna take it out, but it's really good. And why it's even better is you can do this, and it's smaller. You can let the air out, and it's watertight, so I could actually put it anywhere I want, and my sleeping bag will be dry. But yeah, this I will not take it out. And also this biker series can be sleeping bags can be put together. So let's put the tent here, and try to do this time-lapse thingy. So you have those small thingies. Why I bought this tent is because you can take these out and put these anywhere you want, and then you can do whatever you want with the tent. So yeah, I will get back to you soon, as soon as the tent is full up. So the tent is up. Well, these things, of course, I won't put them all there because I'm not gonna sleep here tonight. But why I like this tent is because, as you can see, there's this room here where I can put all my stuff, boxes, boots, everything, and there's quite okay space over here, as you can see. So yeah, this is a good tent, a really good tent, but it's pricey. I think it was around 200 euros or something like that. But yeah, so this is my tent. What else is I usually take to trips is a mug, of course. This butane propane gas. Nice little foldable. It just clicks there, and that's it. And you need to be able to cook in something. So this way I have this outdoor set with a plate, frying pan, and a frying pot, or whatever you want to call it. Nice little set. And also I have spoons and everything like that. Spoon. Let me think where I put it. Oh, yeah. I have this is IXS Desert, and it's quite okay for spring, for autumn. It's really good, but in hot days it's just too hot. But it has lots of places to put your stuff, and I have an almost adventure bike, so It was not deliberate. But yeah, I have this set from Miltech. Spoon, knife, fork. So yeah, that kind of stuff. Also I have IXS pants. I have those are what were they? Daytona Cortex, Daytona Highway GTX2s. I love those boots. And gloves I usually use are these, turning to summer. Those are Shoot race gear. And another thing when you go camping is you need a towel. And this thing, pack towel personnel, is, look how small it is. Well, it is small. It's like that. But it's really good. Lightweight, dries really easily, etc. etc. During my last trip, I basically almost used all the time this thing when I went to swimming. So yeah, I like it. For the next year, I'm probably gonna buy a bigger one too, because you can't go skinny dipping all the time, can you? Of course not. So, and this is my rainy weather gear. What else do I have that I take? Of course, this thing, first aid kit. It's always on my bike now. And I also have papers here. And of course, when you go camping, one thing everyone forgets is this thing, headlamp. It will be really dark really quickly, and you need some sort of headlamp or some sort of light thingy, and this is perfect. For filming, I have this selfie stick and a small tripod. So it takes a lot of time to put this thing up and take it back down, because it's two different tents. It has the inner tent also, as you can see. Let's take it off. And I like it because inner tent doesn't get wet when it's raining, and you have to put the dent up. The other dent I have, you have to put the inner dent first and then put the cover on it. But inner dent usually gets wet when it's raining, and it rains a lot. This thing, also there's another good thing for that. You can use it as a storage room. You have multiple tents. So yeah, I like it. I like it a lot. How I usually
Okay, awesome!